I'm Ryan Zboril. I'm the owner of Pits and Spits. We are a Houston, Texas-based manufacturer of smokers and grills. We have been around since 1983 and have had a name for being the higher-end part of the market. As we moved from being a custom manufacturer, which effectively had us being modeled as a job shop, we decided to scale into a wholesale business model. And in doing so, we need to be able to make a lot of product, but very efficiently, because your margins become compressed. So to do that, we had to create a highly repeatable product set. And as we did that, we found that these repeatable parts of the products, so legs, grates, front shelf frames, would slow down our higher skilled employees, like our welding staff. So what we wanted to do was find a way to produce those reliably and quickly in-house. And that's when we started talking to ARC about some potential welding solutions. We were pointed ARC's direction by a company in the oil field several years ago. We walked through different solutions with ARC and said, hey, there's this new product on the market. It's a cobot, and they have very simple programming. If your guys have a smartphone, which everyone does, then they can run this thing. We took some parts over, ARC ran some test parts, and we were kind of blown away of like, wait a second. Maybe we were thinking too complicated on this thing. Let's look at the low-hanging fruit that every grill has and how we can scale that across our line. I mean, I've been really happy with how quickly it's gotten up to speed and how quickly it's made an impact. I mean, we notice immediately if that robot's not running. We're spoiled by it now, that we really see it. We now have distribution and wholesalers all over the country. From coast to coast. We have some in Canada as well as Australia and Norway. And so as we went from zero wholesale in 2014 to actually now in 2023, we've doubled our wholesale footprint, and ARC has been a big part of that because it's helped us keep up with that volume and production requirement. I see ARC being a partner for us for years to come.